Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can create collage on iPhone. For that, go to shortcuts. On the top right corner, tap the plus button, and over here tap add action. On the search bar, you have to type select photos, tap on that. Over here tap select photos and then tap select multiple, and then on the search bar again type, you have to type combine photos, tap on combine images, tap horizontally and then select in a grid. Then again on the tab bar type save photos, and then you have to on the top middle save to photo album, tap on that for rename it. So tap rename. So I'm going to rename it as collage photos, and then tap on the collage photos again and then tap add to home screen, tap add, and okay, so now collage photos, go to collage photos, and from here I'm going to choose 4 picture, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then tap add. Then your collage photo is ready. So go to photos and then you can see your collage is ready. So this is how you can create collage photo in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video.